I just wanted to introduce everyone to Parrots of Birdie Road. These are my little foster boys. They're going home with their mommy today. They're so happy. That's why they're not in the bird room. So this is my bird room area. There we go. There's Mr. Peepers. Hi, Peepers. Hi, Beavers. Peepers is the Prince of Birdie Road. Babies. Hello, birdies. Hello, birdie birds. This is Mr. Jed. He absolutely hates the camera. And this is what we call Dadland. It is his domain. He very rarely wants to leave Dadland, unless he comes to my bedroom to visit. But he doesn't mind others visiting. So, okay, Daddy. Okay. This is the parrotlet cage for Loki and Tucker. This is the little budgie cage. It's rather large for one budgie, but he often has company. It's JT's cage. And there they are. The little green meanies up there. The parrotlets, always looking for trouble. And that is Sweet Smoky Joe right there. He lives for head scratches. You see your butt, Smokey? There we go. Hi, Smokey. This precious thing is Tweety Bird. Oh, we're getting another butt shot. Tweety is almost 22 years old. And this is their cage, the cockatiel cage for Sugar, Smokey, and Tweety. Extra seat in the corner. This is Peeper's cage. He loves looking out the windows. Each bird has a window. It makes me very happy. There's little Sugar over here. Sugar, are you cold, sweetie? Come here. Come here, baby. Aw, sweet angel. Come up here. Sugar's tail broke in his flight. He was flown to me from Denver, Colorado. His tail broke and just hasn't come in yet. Okay, so we go around, and this is the sweetest angel ever hatched. This is little Desi. Desi was unfortunately not very loved after he lost his feathers. He continues to pluck. What I understand is he was naked for 4 years, not interacted with, so he cannot break his habit. But he is one happy little fella. Comes out to play all the time. However, he can't be out by himself. I know, Daddy. This is my little corner cabinet. It helps keep me organized, and I just love it. It is for all my food. All my food and goodies. Very nice to have. My sweet husband got this for me. So everything's in its place. We call this the bridge over Birdie Road. All my birds are flighted, but they often would rather walk. Walk and climb. Here's the play stand that looks out into the living room. And here's my little reading area, which I adore. Sit there, and by 5 minutes I have 3 or 4 birds on me. It's wonderful. And this is the door to the deck. Emergency door, and to take cages out to pressure wash.